Hello. All right. You should have some. Oh, I got someone in chat. Hi, Henry. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Oh, okay. Awesome. After like streaming for an hour, I just realized the visibility of the video is unlisted. Then I just turned it into public and you popped up. So, did you saw my tweet or is it about the video visibility? Oh, I'm glad that at least someone is here. I was sitting alone for an hour actually. So have you got the latest version I published yesterday? The v0.9.2. Oh, you got phone notification. Okay, that was the uh video visibility, I guess. Nice. This is my first time, so uh I got a few problems in the middle of the stream as well. I just there was an error. I had to two times actually. I had to stop the stream. It was complaining about like the quality of the stream, and I didn't realize I'm streaming like 4K, and the setup wasn't like like 1080. So yeah. So what's the question? So for Voxy, yeah, this is Voxy. Yeah, I'm not for Voxy. I'm just trying to. I mean, like with Voxy. Yes, I'm trying to like mimic this. The first stage of metalgearsolid 1 from 1998 in Voxy. Also, I'm actually trying to like use it in like real example to see if there is any bug or issue. I already faced a crash. I listed down that. Hopefully, yeah, yeah. I didn't. I still I don't know anything about streaming. Still learning, and I just saw like in OBS there is a setting that like your what is your actual video recording video and what is like the output of this. I was in 4K. I had to put it on like 1080. So oh you didn't get the latest update. I tweeted about that like when was it? Let me just post the wait, I'm dragging something. Okay. Let me post the link here. I just link to a tweet I made here. Maybe you missed that. So that one will fix. Let me just paste it here. Okay. So the latest version first is about supporting Unreal Engine 5.6, and it was a big change in the code base because so many functions were deprecated, and I had to change that. Oh, no way! You're still on 5.3. I didn't push the changes to 5.3, so I mostly update for the latest like two latest version. Like right now, the update went into 5.5 and 5.6. Hopefully, I can get it into 5.4 because like the engine source is changing so much. So they don't believe in backward compatibility actually. So I'm trying to keep up with their changes, but it's really hard to maintain like four different version of the engine. So I just keep it for the last two version. Um, yeah. Don't worry, just jump. I mean, like, download that like 5.6 or 5.5, and then switch your project to that. I mean, make a copy, switch the project to the latest version, and then see if there's any error, any problem. If there is, go back and try to fix it. If there isn't, so you just switched, right? I mean, if it's a game project, it's a little bit hard actually, because you shouldn't be changing engine version in the middle of like your process. But I mean, as for Voxy, it's really hard for me to keep up with their changes. Exactly. I'm scared to jump forward and break a lot of things. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I mean, you should be. I mean, if you are making a game or something, um, yeah, it's hard. It's hard sometimes. So about the update. First is 5.6 support. Second is I fixed a few crashes when you're working with bundles. Like you create an asset and then you create a new one and then you try to save your bundle. Previously it was crashing. I guess it is not crashing on your version because you are on 5.3. The changes I made for 5.4 and shipped to 5.5 also was the cause of that crash, which is fixed now. And the other one is when you import the Vox file by dragging the Vox into content browser, there was one extra dark voxel putting somewhere in your volume, which is fixed now. Also, when you export the Voxy asset to static mesh, the vertex color were getting like desaturated colors. So I made sure everything is in sRGB, and like I just made it like the color consistent between what you have in Voxy asset in the toolkit and as a voxel and the color you have as a static mesh. The other thing that I just realized, I made a typo in my tweet with material. That's material attribute. So for the last two version of Voxy, last two version of Voxy, I'm creating two texture in Voxy asset, which you can use in your material editor that give you the the material attributes. For example, you can have roughness, metallic, specular, alpha, emissive, IR in your in your color palette. It keeps these values inside the color palette, and it will create a texture out of these values, and you can use those in your material editor to have all like for example, we want to have a few metallic voxels. You want to have some like low roughness, high roughness materials on your voxels. Now you can have that. I am not sure. I mean, for the first hour, like I was sitting alone, not sure if I do that, but after this, maybe I'm not sure. Maybe I make a like time lapse or something for this, but Yeah, it's either I just keep the VOD or I make it uh time lapse out of what I'm doing here. So far it's going well. I just realized like I was duplicating the containers. I realized like the side of the containers I forgot to make that part. I had to redo it again. But yeah, man, I love this game and just want to do like a contribution to this project. I love this game, yeah. So how's it going with Voxy with you? Are you using it in your game or is it like art project? What is it? Tell me. I want to know how you are using Voxy. I want to make another color here as well for the floor somewhere here, I guess. Yeah. Base. The base. Oh no, not that. Oh wait, it was here. Ah, now I have to copy all the color to the other. Yeah. Tell me, how's it going with you? I don't like the color here. So I'm gonna make it. Oh, I forgot to select the color, I guess. Is it? Wait, something is going on here. Yeah, somehow my mouse is there. Need to check that. So this is working. Okay, paint is not working. Wait. Something wrong here. Okay, the quality warning again. Are you still there? Something wrong here. Need to change the stream bitrate setting. It says, oh, now it says it's good. I don't know. Okay, so the paint color, like paint rict is not working. No, paint region is not working. Need to. pen's not working. Oh. I'm not sure about the quality of the stream. Can you confirm that you're getting like a good quality stream? I'm not sure. Oh, I just realized they're in there. Okay, I'm gonna select the face and say paint it with this color. And then tone it down. Please. Yeah. Wait, didn't get change. Okay, got it. Hello, guys. For those who are watching, I'm trying to mimic the metalgearsolid one, first stage in Voxel, using my own tool, which is Voxy, Voxel Art tool, Voxel Art Toolkit in Unreal Engine, and I'm figuring out like if there is any error or issue here. So I'm gonna just change some color here now. Okay, I need to change the other color as well. So tell me, how's your situation with Voxy? Are you using Voxy? All right. So the bottom is still. Okay. Just let me see which one is which one. Okay. I'm gonna just go here, copy this file, this color into. Just making my custom color palette at the bottom of the color palette. I'm gonna just use that. Yeah, that's okay. So now this one. This one is here. And paint there. Yeah, that's correct. This one also need that. Bottom here to paint this. It's okay. Yeah, now. I need to put these down as well, and also they're in the middle of the. Okay, let's put these down. Yeah, that's okay. So, I mean, for performance reason, probably too better keep things in chunks. What do you mean by that? Like, for example, this one is as the whole stage is bigger than like one volume, so I'm making it out of like 4 base pieces. And like for containers, I'm having like different Voxy acid. It's not, this one is not a like good example. I'm just making voxel art actually. It's not, I'm not optimizing it for game. If I were doing that, I would like put like the containers inside it, the wall, the floor, the containers all in one single um asset, but I'm just making artwork here. It's for game, yes, you definitely need to go for like really high optimized asset. So what else I need to do here? I need to do the little boxes. Oh, I also need to create the elevator. Okay, let's just first keep that. Let's get this color. Let's get it, I guess, here. I don't like this yellow. I got a better yellow. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna create the base first. This is too big. Oh wait. I need like 4. I'm gonna just make 4. Let's see if I can paint it using line, and I need dark color here. Yeah, I guess that would work. It's like too dark now. I'm gonna go with this color and make it just dark. Yeah, this is better. So let's see. I can actually copy paste that. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna select that. Let me just delete this. Let's copy paste this. No. So the like the yellows are like 3 by 3, and I want to have like three yellow, 3 uh, dark as well. So this should be like paint like this. Should be like this. Wait, why? Something is wrong with the paint tool. Now I'm gonna just make that as like my copy paste, and then yeah, now it's everything is in like 3 by 3. All right, we got 2 viewers. And I believe I can just move this here to make it. Oh, wait, I selected. Okay, tell me about your problems. Do you have any problem with? That's cool. Do you have any problem with Voxy? Wait, the size is doesn't make sense, but this is not a one-on-one. Right, let me. No, that's okay. I was about to create another Voxy asset for these, but no, it's okay. Let's just keep it simple. I'm gonna create. Where is my container? Yeah, okay. I need this color palette. Yeah, someone mentioned that I need to make like color import export color palette, or like copy paste color palette. I definitely need that, because I mean right now I can see like how hard it is to get one color to all of your containers. Sorry, all of your Voxy assets. Yeah, I will do that next update. So I'm gonna just do these pipes here. Let's see if I can add it by line and make it as let me just deselect here as cylinder. Let's see if it works. I need a bigger brush. Yeah, this is cool. Right, it's gonna be like this color, I guess. And I need some highlight on the top. Yeah, all right. Paint, line, make some, wait, this one. And make the brush 1. Something like that. And I can use, did I use this one? I want to use this one actually. I learned to walk around it. You mean the palette? What do you do? Like, do you? What is your workaround? Is it about the palette? Tell me, teach me. Yeah, this is better. And I can just go this. Right? It's sort of like this. This is cool. Let's just make this one and the middle one like brighter. Something like that. I need to change this color later. Let's do it now, actually. Less saturated, like somewhere like that. Yeah. So I can now oh wait, I can now extrude this, I guess. Let's just select the face. Wait, I can now say don't use color in the select. And then extrude this along here. And I can just select his face again. Wait, it's not selecting. Oh wait, I'm not on select. Select the face, move it here, rotate it by Z, put it back, and extrude it. Yay, look at that. And I need to, can I, yeah, okay, I can. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. What is it? That would be so cool. Important cool palette. Color palette from like low spec and have it just match with everything. Yeah, exactly. That is a new feature in the next update. I'll definitely do for next update. Yeah. Oh, your workaround it was about crashing. Is it still crashing even with the update? Oh, you cannot update it. You are still on 5.3. I am sure I cannot push this changes into 5.3, I believe. But maybe I try 5.4. I will see. So I'm gonna just had to be careful with keeping open when saving, etc. Keeping like a level that you use the asset, or keeping the oh, I see. So you mean like keeping the toolkit open and then save? Uh, I can't remember. There might be a problem on the ref counter of the Voxy asset because like the render resources keep not the render resource the actual asset is keep tracking of how many times you're using a Voxy asset in like Voxy mesh component, and if there is no Voxy component that is using this asset, it will just unload the data from GPU and to just make it like more optimized for your GPU. And there is a chance that there is an error there. I can't think of anything else. If you need to keep the toolkit open to make it work, I don't know. I mean, if you can just send me like just record a video showing like um how I can reproduce that error, and then I can try the same with the latest version, and if that is not happening means I already solved that in the like the new version. Or maybe you can just download the new version in like a separate project and test it and see if it's solved. So I have the first one here, and then I'm gonna just oh, there is some bumps here and there in the pipes. Something like I can highlight. Something like that. I'm not sure if I have to. If that's a good color actually. Let me just create another color. I will just lost track of these colors. This one gonna be same as this one, but a little bit different. Let's make it a little bit darker. And let's paint this. Yeah. So, I mean, what I was doing was first make a blank Voxy asset with the color palette I wanted and duplicate the asset file and use. Oh, yeah, smart. Yeah, that's a good one. I I should have done that before as actually for this artwork as well. They all the future assets use the same palette. Yeah. You are right. You are. That's the way for now. But next update's gonna have like probably a copy palette here and paste palette. Yeah, definitely. That's not a big deal for me to make. Yeah. Okay, let's just move these along. Yeah, all right. I want to have it here. And then I need to rotate this. Put it back somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I believe there is one here as well. We're just not seeing it because it was just a texture back then. And also, I'm gonna just duplicate this one as well because there is like 2 pipes. Not sure if I do that. Let me see. I need to narrow it down. Yeah, something like that. Yep. Okay. This is working. I can just mirror this for this part as well later. Let's just create some more. I try out new version when I can. The way all the features. Okay, yeah. Sure. Let me know. So you have me on Twitter, everywhere. Just send me a message. Tell me if it's working or it's not, or we need to think about something else. So let's just create more of these in the container. I shouldn't have saved this asset as container because these are just creating assets. So here, also I just realized it's here, so I cannot create here. Let me see. It's 10:30 p.m. here. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna just add it to this one. Yeah. So it's gonna be a big one here. Yeah, that's too big actually, and it's somewhere here. Oh, it's here. Wait, yeah, okay. It should be something like this. Let's change the color to a little bit greenish, yeah. So it's gonna be, oh, okay, autosave. I need to save as well. So one here, one here. Okay, I'm gonna just create one and duplicate. And then third one, I believe. It should be like this tall. Yeah. And yeah, I can add like sort of white color here. Select region from here to here. That's okay. Now paint selected. There we go. We have our yeah, okay. So I'm gonna just copy this. It's in here. Yeah, okay. Then I need to create this one, which is a big box using. Can I use this color? No, let's just create another one. Sorry, I'm really tired. I'm gonna just copy this color, make a darker version of this. Oh man, I need the copy palette. I want to make sure I will have the feature next stream. Oh, also, tell me if you like to have these kind of stream. If you want to see me like developing the tool, like I always run the tool, like run the Unreal Engine from the source. So sitting here trying to fix some error or like implementing the new features, and watching me doing the code, or just tell me if you like that to happen. Still not. Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna just create another darker version. So it's gonna be a region. Oh wait, sorry. Box should be bigger. Something like this. I need to move it up. Wait, what is this color? Oh, wait. Wait, no. What is this color? Okay. Need to paint the floor using that color. Yeah, okay. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. It's too just saturated. A little bit better. Okay, extrude this. Oh wait, extrude this. And then I need to push the middle. Let's just select. Let's say this is the middle. This is not the middle. Oh, why I cannot move that? Right, I can now. So I'm gonna just gradually going down. I don't know. It's just no. I can bevel actually. I can bevel. Since we have the bevel. Wait. Did I create a voxel? No. So bevel. Yay! Okay, now another bevel. And another bevel. I can actually make the brush bigger. No, not that big. Wait. Ah, to keep it in the center. Yeah, sort of like this, but now it's cornered. Never mind, it's okay. Is it? Is it okay? This is not that shape. This is not that shape. Okay, I'm gonna just undo this. And I'm gonna just do select this. No. Select this. Select this. It's better. I mean, if I do it this way, it's gonna be better. Let's just. How do I make this? Let me just try another way. I select from here to here. And then select this face, delete, select this face, delete. Wait, I need to keep this down. So, yeah, still having that. So let's just create a line with one there. Sort of like this. I definitely don't like that. That's the only way. So from here to here, from here to here. This one is not good. Wait. Okay. Now I can feel this part. Like I can say, select this one. move it up. And then deselect this part. Oh, wait. Deselect from here to here. I move that. Yeah, all right. Yeah, this one will work. And then deselect this part. And move that. Yeah, sort of like that. Okay. That's better. Not so much better, but just better. I know. It doesn't look like the same. I need this color. And make it a little bit lighter. And use it as my paint, which is not working at the moment. Need to select. How do I do that? So, all right, I guess I'm gonna just stop here. Next time I'll make sure the visibility of the video gonna be like public from the beginning. And just let me know if you like to have these kind of stream like either developing the Voxy, like adding features or debugging, or creating like artworks like this. I'm not a voxel artist. I'm just learning along the way as well. But I don't know, maybe seeing me doing this can be good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.